What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the RabidMining YouTube channel, and look at Bitcoin here. It has been seeing a nice pump the past few days, but what if I told you it's not going to last? And we have seen this all too often. This is pretty much like deja vu. And with the price increase of Bitcoin, obviously the whole market does begin to follow it. Look at Ethereum. We have seen nice gains over the past week, the same time frame as Bitcoin, and Ethereum Classic seems to actually be outperforming Ethereum in the same bull run. But everything is pretty much going up because Bitcoin is going up. And if Bitcoin goes down, everything else will start falling as well. Anyway, to get to the main point of this whole video, we are going to have to rewind to the beginning. So here I am. You can see we have, for the past however long, from about 2013 upwards till now. And every previous bear run cycle in the past, from 2013 moving into 2014, 2017 moving into 2018, and now 2021 moving into 2022, has seen these small pumps within the same 2-month period every single time, which in the end results to an end of the year rock bottom of the market before we start going sideways into that next bull run. Let's get a closer look. All right, guys, so here we are coming in 2013 to 2014 and sliding up. We can see here June into July, crypto is up in 2014. And this is, after the latest bull run here of 2013. And then it lasts till about mid to end August. And then it starts coming down at September range, which does ultimately lead us into that end of the year rock bottom. Around January of 2015 is when this market actually hit rock bottom. If you did not see my Bitcoin, it's still, get ready, buckle up, we're in for a bumpy ride. The bottom has not hit yet. Check it out because it goes through, when I expect the prices to actually bottom, and then, when we'll expect that next bull run. But right now, we're just looking at the mid-cycle in between each cycle. And this has all happened before, looking at 2014 July into August, and then crashing down, sometime early September, leading into the rock bottom of the markets. Now let's fast forward into 2017. Guys, here we are from the famous 2017 explosion where a lot of people got into crypto at this point. And we're just going to kind of fast forward into the bear market after that, if I can find it here. So here's 2018. We got May. We're looking not too bad. But here we are again, July of 2018. We're coming back into this pump. And we're seeing some, decent gains. Obviously it's not decent gains like we're seeing right now. But this is huge price gains based on, only having like a 6,000 BTC here. And then we're coming back down. And then moving into August, we see, slightly other one. But then September hits. And then we rock bottom yet again, just like what we've seen in 2013. And again, it kind of comes down to the end of the year here, which is about 1 year from the all-time high. We see rock bottom before we start trading sideways. So now we're going to fast forward into what we're seeing right now. And look at this, May, June. We got to get in a little closer now because everything is happening real time where we're currently sitting. But we're coming into June and July here, June, July, and we're slowly moving up. Now, predictions here, we're probably going to get a little bit higher moving in towards the end of the month here. August, we'll see some decent gains, potentially go sideways for a bit. But middle to end of August, early September, we are probably going to start dropping off again. And we will probably most likely see the bottom happen sometime between December and January of this year is when the crypto markets will bottom out and then begin going sideways and leading up into that 2025 bull run. So, I know every single time we think it's different this year. It's different this year. There is one thing that's different than all the previous runs. One is the price is always getting higher and we're slowly getting longer cycles in terms of a bull side than a bear side, as this has been going through since 2013 and they're having. But main thing that plays out is the cycles are exactly the same. We've been seeing the all-time highs around the same point. The lows have been hitting around the same point too. We won't know until this one comes in to be 100% accurate, but we're estimating it's going to be about the same. And we have always been around 80 to 84% of the all-time high to the rock bottom low. So cycles are happening. Ignore what's going on. Who cares about inflation? I don't care what Biden is saying or what's going on over here, happening over there. These cycles are playing out. So don't fall into what media is saying. As soon as crypto starts going up a little bit, everyone's bullish and they say it's going to the moon, you could lose money. Look at the past. It always repeats itself. We've always been told, learn from the past so we don't repeat history. And this is what's happening, guys. History is repeating itself over and over and over again. So I really think this is not going to last, more than a month and a half, and we will start seeing that drop out of the bottom again and falling down more. So hopefully this did bring a little bit of insight for you guys. Now, I'm not saying this is exactly how it's going to play out. I could be 100% wrong, but it's one part of information that you guys, in doing your own research, should probably check out. And then, check out other guys' channels and see what they're saying. Make your best case decision based on all the information you can gather and go from there. This is just how I think it's going to happen. Will it happen? I have no idea, but based on past experiences and looking at past charts, everything has happened already and it's doing the exact same thing again. So in theory, it will repeat itself yet again and start dropping within sometime August to September. Thank you for watching, guys. I will see you on the next one. Rabid out. Thank you for watching my video, and if you haven't seen one of these, be sure to check them out. And if you already seen them, maybe you missed some, might have to watch it one more time. And if you just let it play in the background, that's all right as well. I do try to live stream every weekend as well as every couple days during the week, so be sure to be subscribed so you don't miss that. As always, have a great day.